Hey, it's Chandra from Dills to Mills, and it's August, a new month, which means there are new Thrive Life products on sale, which is awesome. All of them are some of my very favorite fruits and vegetables to add to your food storage to add a lot of variety, flavor, and nutrients, which is great. Two of my very favorite Thrive fruits are on sale this month, pineapple and peaches. Just great to snack on out of the can or to add to your favorite recipes. I want to show you the size of the peaches. They're just huge slices of peaches. Watch this week in our email for a recipe for peach blueberry muffins, which uses the blueberries on sale this month. It's fantastic, super moist, comes together in like 10 minutes because you use a cake mix. Or I also have a delicious recipe for peaches and cream sugar cookies, which are so good. You use the freeze-dried peaches in the cookie dough as well as in the frosting to give it a really intense peach flavor, which is so perfect for summer. The pineapple is everybody's favorite. Has really intense pineapple flavor. This makes great smoothies. You can also put it in your frostings. Any way you like regular pineapple, you're going to love this pineapple. You can even hydrate this pineapple and use in like a pineapple salsa, which we have a recipe for. The uses of this pineapple are endless. Check out our recipe this month for blueberry sour cream pancakes. They're tender, moist, fluffy, and so good. So blueberries are definitely another favorite fruit of mine. Thrive Life has vegetables that blow the flavor and taste and texture of canned vegetables out of the water. Thrive's corn and Thrive's peas are just like they came right off the cob and out of the pea pod. You can use this corn and peas in any recipe you would normally use fresh corn or fresh peas. It's fantastic. This month, check out a recipe for hot corn queso dip. It's unbelievable and such a fun appetizer. Really fun way to use your Thrive corn and get a sense for that sweet, yummy, buttery corn flavor that comes with Thrive Life's corn. Another great product on sale this month is broccoli. I have to admit, I was totally skeptical and pictured it being just like shavings of broccoli. But I opened the can several months ago, the first time I used it, and it's like about 1 to 2 inch pieces of broccoli. Lots of options this month, fruits, vegetables, everything on sale that you need to add to your food storage and enjoy delicious, healthy flavor from Thrive Life this month.